Hello and good morning. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. Those were the headlines. Let's tell you about the big story of the day. Viewers, a day after announcing the 5-day pause to war, especially 5-day pause on strikes on Iran's energy infrastructure, US President Donald Trump dialed Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, in a social media post, Prime Minister Modi called it a useful exchange on the West Asia crisis and made India's position absolutely clear that it supports de-escalation and an early restoration of peace. Prime Minister also stressed that the Strait of Hormuz must remain open, secure as well as accessible. Pretty much saying that he has what he has been saying in the parliament in the last 2 days.
युद्ध के बाद से ही हॉर्मुज स्ट्रेट में जहाजों का आना जाना बहुत चुनौतीपूर्ण हो गया है, लेकिन विपरीत परिस्थितियों के बावजूद हमारी सरकार ने संवाद से, कूटनीति के माध्यम से रास्ते बनाने का प्रयास किया है। प्रयास ये है कि जहां से भी संभव हो वहां से तेल और गैस की सप्लाई भारत पहुंचे। सभापति जी, भारत का प्रयास है कि तेल हो, गैस हो, फर्टिलाइजर हो, ऐसे हर जरूरी सामान से जुड़े जहाज भारत तक सुरक्षित पहुंचे।
ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण एक चर्चा है हमारे प्रधानमंत्री और राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप के बीच में। आपको पता है कि मोदी जी का सभी लीडर्स जिनके देश इस पश्चिम एशियाई युद्ध के साथ संबंध है, एक बार नहीं पर 2 बार इनकी बात हुई है।
Now, viewers, you heard the reaction as well that came on the call that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had with US President Donald Trump. In fact, it was a call that was made by the President of the United States of America to Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Now, this call came as India and US are stepping up their defense talks. In fact, on Monday, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar spoke with the U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio. Meanwhile, Trump's Under-Secretary of War for Policy is on a 2-day visit to India. Speaking at an event, he made it absolutely clear that the United States sees India not merely as a key partner, but as an essential one.
The United States sees India not merely as a key partner, but as an essential one in ensuring a long-term favorable balance of power in Asia.
And we have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. Congress party continues to cry foul. Gulf War political fallout is what we are witnessing here in India. Congress party has once again slammed the government on its foreign policy. Congress party is asking is India just a spectator? And Congress party has even questioned the government on the Pak mediation claim. We have a reaction, in fact, coming in from Manikam Tagore of the Congress party, wherein he has said, and I'm quoting him here, while the world reshuffles power equations, US, Israel, Iran, even Pakistan being called in for deals, Modi watches from the sidelines. This is the update that we are getting for you right now. Let's show you, in fact, what has been put out by Manikam Tagore of the Congress party in this regard. In fact, since last couple of days, we have seen Congress party raising questions on India's foreign policy. And this is the post, in fact, that has been put out by Manikam Tagore of the Congress party. It's a long post here that you can see on your screens, viewers. He says, what a masterclass in foreign policy. He's saying, while the world reshuffles power equations, US, Israel, Iran, and even Pakistan being called in for deals, Modi watches from the sidelines is what he's claiming. But don't worry, we got something out of it, right? Strategic silence, diplomatic invisibility, and a lot of unanswered questions. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ji wasn't exaggerating. He says when foreign policy stops being independent, the country stops being influential. If global decisions are being made around India instead of with India, maybe it's time to ask, are we leading or just following the instructions? So this is the charge coming in from the Congress party. Manikam Tagore has also said, because of all the talk claims the only thing clearly visible right now is this: India deserves better than being a spectator in its own geopolitical neighborhood. Now, viewers, this has been, in fact, the line of the Congress party for quite some time now. That has been reiterated by Manikam Tagore. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, good morning. You know, these attacks are continuing despite the fact that there was a call that was made by US President Donald Trump yesterday to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Absolutely, and in fact, a lot of Congress MPs that we spoke to, have been showing a sort of a lack of faith in the government as far as this conversation is concerned, irrespective of the fact that US President had called up Indian Prime Minister, and also Indian Prime Minister has said that de-escalation is needed very much in West Asia, region. But the opposition members, in fact, including Congress and Samajwadi Party, both of the parties, in fact, were saying that they do not have much faith in policy and foreign policy. In fact, Manikam Tagore went on to say that, we do not know what Trump might say in the morning, what Prime Minister is saying in the evening. Trump might, say the opposite in the morning. So, this is the kind of trust that opposition have on government right now. But as far as government is concerned, they are saying that this is not because of the poor foreign policy, but because of the politics surrounding it. And in fact, this is the reason why government has called an all-party meeting to discuss the escalating West Asia crisis. In fact, Rahul Gandhi also demanded it, but Rahul Gandhi surprisingly was not present when Prime Minister, gave the statement. In fact, with tensions rising, government wanted each and every the parties, in fact, on the same page, and this is exactly the reason why Prime Minister has at the beginning of his address in Lok Sabha said that he is seeking cooperation from all the political parties on this uncertainty that has gripped whole of the West Asia and has affected many of the countries like India as well.
All right, Pragya, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your perspective on this. And like we've been saying, viewers, Congress party is refusing to accept the truth, what has happened. Manikam Tagore, he put out a post, and earlier he also said that he does not trust Indian Prime Minister's version of the conversation and would rather wait for what Trump has to say. Listen in.
We all know that Prime Minister tweet we had seen it. Tomorrow, what Trump will say about the tweet is going to be the main question. What Trump told to our Prime Minister is the question now. Because Prime Minister can say some other story and Trump will say some other story.
Trump's call pretty much torpedoed opposition's failed diplomacy bogey, the narrative that Team Rahul has been assiduously peddling. Listen in to leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, who thinks that India's foreign policy is being considered a universal joke.
हमारी जो foreign policy है, this is Prime Minister Modi's personal foreign policy. You can see the result of this. It's a universal joke. Everybody considers it a universal joke. Donald Trump knows exactly what Mr. Modi can do and what Mr. Modi cannot do. So, if the Prime Minister is compromised, our foreign policy is compromised. इंडिया का प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं, इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं, दिखना चाहिए कि हिंदुस्तान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं. पोजीशन क्या है? कोई पोजीशन ही नहीं है.
And viewers, Centre, in fact, today has called for an all-party meeting to discuss the war that's currently going on in West Asia. But Rahul Gandhi, whose party has been repeatedly accusing the government of not answering questions, has decided to prioritize a Kerala trip over a face-to-face opportunity to seek accountability.
मैं तो वहाँ नहीं हूँगा क्योंकि मेरा तो केरला में प्रोग्राम है. ठीक है, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाई है, डिबेट होना चाहिए.
And all eyes today are going to be on this very crucial all-party meeting. And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. Coming back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.